Welcome everybody, Brian here from TMaxx, and today I want to talk to you about our new line of ceramic protection products. We've got a full assortment depending on which part of the car or vehicle that you're applying protection to. Not one type of ceramic will work on all surfaces because of the differences in the base material. So the engineers at TMaxx have a specific formulation based on where you put it on the car. I'm going to walk through all of these, give you the basics, and then show you what comes with the TMaxx ceramic. The Pro 9H, this is a graphene-based ceramic coating. This is going to sustain a very high gloss. You put this directly on the paint. This works on clear coat, modern vehicles, and it's going to basically protect against UV and stains, any kind of droppings, bird droppings, tree droppings, things like that. You've got a layer of protection against staining the paint. It's a single layer coating. It's going to give you intense water repellency and also some chemical resistance protection. You never know road hazards, what's out there. This is a pro or DIY application. Let's look at what all's included here. So first you're going to get a microfiber towel. You've got latex gloves. We've got the ceramic treatment, and up inside the box, we've got the applicator. So you have a full set for installing your Pro 9H. Next is going to be our PPF and vinyl ceramic coating. The number one difference here is that this will flex with film elasticity. You don't want to use the 9H on any kind of film. So if it's PPF ceramic coating, you're going to use our PPF and vinyl coating. Gives all of the same protection you get with 9H, but specially formulated to deal with film elasticity. And with this kit, you have a little bit of a different applicator. You're going to get the ceramic treatment and the latex gloves. Next is the plastic and trim ceramic coating. Again, similar properties that we get with the rest of the line, but specially formulated to work on vehicle plastics, external or internal to the vehicle. Moving into our specialty ceramics, the wheel and caliper ceramic coating. Again, same properties for protection, but a special high heat formulation. The wheel and caliper area is extremely aggressive and abusive on a vehicle, so we formulated this specifically for high temp, abusive wheel and caliper applications. And moving on to glass, this is specially formulated for adhering to glass. This is going to allow the water to bead up and flow off, give you great protection, protect against wear from wipers, made specifically for the vehicle glass. And of course, all of these continue to come with the extra accessories and applicators. And finally, don't forget inside the vehicle, our leather and vinyl ceramic coating. This is suitable for leather, vinyl, vegan leather. This will work with Teslas or any other interiors. It's going to give you great wear and stain protection inside the vehicle. For TMaxx installers, this is the ultimate protection line. Make this step 2 anytime you're selling and installing TMaxx film or other brands of film. And then for the DIY enthusiast, this is friendly for DIY application. You can put this on yourself at home too. All right, everybody, hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and come back soon. We'll have more upgrades and protection for your vehicles.